Greetings from Korea. I'm Taewon Lee, the CEO of Fuel Cell Innovations. Benefiting from $250 million of development expenditures, we able to present today the next generation technology for the conversion of fuel into energy and vice versa.
Our fuel cells are the next generation technology for producing blue hydrogen from natural gas and green hydrogen from renewable power. Based on high temperature solid oxide fuel cell technology, FCI can generate power at above 60% efficiency while separating CO2 emissions with zero energy penalty. In reverse mode operation, we can achieve above 90% conversion efficiency for hydrogen production. Our research team achieved many technical breakthroughs in cost reduction and durability, resulting in over 80 international patents, including applications for CO2 removal. We cooperate with shareholders like Samsung and S-Oil to develop custom-made solutions. FCI offers a wide range of fuel cells, starting from compact devices to larger containerized units that are also suited to operate as electrolyzers. Direct production of DC power reduces energy loss for applications like data centers. We can achieve higher efficiencies in arid environments while producing water instead of consuming it. Many fuel cell units can form a virtual power plant, providing increased efficiency, while patented AI software keeps grids in balance. Our technology is perfectly suited for ammonia production and zero-emission propulsion for ships. FCI provides ammonia solutions from production to end use. When utilizing renewable power, our fuel cells can produce hydrogen at 32% higher efficiency than traditional electrolyzers, resulting in 39% higher IRR. When CO2 is available, FCI can produce syngas for carbon-neutral synthetic fuels.